I'm getting ready to go to Babe's Ride Out, getting ready to leave, and the Goozy won't start. So last minute change up over to the DRZ. Ooh. Not very often that the Goozy leaves me stranded somewhere, but at least it happened here and not out in the middle of nowhere. So because of the last minute bike switch up and I ended up hitting Phoenix rush hour traffic, I didn't get into Joshua Tree until last night at 11. But it's fine. Today I'm headed into Ocotillo Wells. It's about 2 hours south of Joshua Tree, and I'm meeting up with my friend Joni. Out here at Ocotillo Wells, off-road vehicle recreation area.
Oh, she's turning around, okay.
That was deep right there.
Sorry, what?
That was deep right there.
Yeah, it was. Well, I stopped, I put my feet down, and then I kicked a little up. Hi, Anise! Hi, ladies. You're Phoenix Moto Girl. Yeah, I was probably going a little over on the, hey guys, there's sand here, and here, and here.
The whole thing.
I was being a little excessive. That's okay. My favorite was when so hungry, guys. Seemed like there wasn't really room. There wasn't. The sand, nah. I know, we need room that's not sand. Maybe along the way still. If you see something along the way, go for it though, okay? Even on the streets of Ames. Yeah.
Picture of this cave. Yes. Oh. That's what I'm talking about. Our drummer never gets the love. Yes. Ah. Dave deserves this, by the way.
It's waiting there for you. Get me away from you. I wanna go with you. Hey, shut up. Hey, I wanna rock with you. I wanna groove with you.
So I'm heading home back to the Phoenix area from Joshua Tree, and I've decided to take kind of a 4-hour detour, staying off the Highway 10. And I'm south of there. I headed down south just west of the Salton Sea, again like the same road I took out to the Ocotillo Wells. And I'm cutting across on the 78 near a town called Brawley and Glamis and the North Algodones Dunes Wilderness area, and then it takes me up to the Palo Verde Mountain Wilderness. I think the theme of the weekend was definitely sand on the streets. So the sun's starting to go down now and I'm losing my light. But anyway, I'm close now to the I-10 freeway, and that's not interesting to film. So I'll stop my footage here. It was a great weekend in Joshua Tree. Thanks for watching.